Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. So today's guide video is based on how to remove rotoscope filter from TikTok application. Now make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Now first thing first, make sure that you're well connected with your internet service. Only then you'll be able to do the process. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So open the TikTok application. Now here the interface looks something like this. Now on this particular page, what you have to do is right on top on the upper right corner, there you can see a search icon or a search tool. Just tap on it. So next you will land inside the search page. So right on top there you can see a search bar. So what you have to do is enter the name of a filter. So that is Rotoscope. So on the other page there you have a list of information about the filter. So in order to try it or in order to remove the effect, what you have to do is just tap on effect. So on the other page you have to tap on use this effect, which is right in the bottom. So on the other page what you have to do is just take at least 15 seconds long video. So next what you have to do is tap on effect, which is on the left side. So here as you can see that my current filter is a rotoscope filter. Now in order to remove it, all you have to do is just simply select any other filter that you like. And that is how you can remove rotoscope filter from your TikTok application. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.